Welcome to short tutorial of OpenBuildings Designer Connect Edition. In this video, we will go through an overview of how to use geographic coordinates to automatically orient our buildings. Geographic coordinates are unified coordinate system based on real earth coordinate system, which is global for all the files. Hence, when two files with geographic coordinate system are attached with each other, they translate and orient automatically with respect to each other to get to their respective location and orientation. In a previous video, we created this building. This is a master file of that building. The first step would be here to acquire a geographic coordinate system for our master file, and the same can be done in multiple ways. Like you can fetch it from library which get installed with out-of-box installation of OpenBuildings Designer. Also, you can use a reference file if you have any with a geographic coordinate or from a Google Earth placemark point. For this example, we would like to take our geographic coordinate from our Google Earth placemark point. To do this, we will go to Google Earth and export our placemark from there. Once that is done, we will come back to our master file and then place a placemark in the file and import the placemark we created from Google Earth into the file. To do that, we need to go to Drawing Aids tab and select Define Placemark Monument tool. In the Define Placemark Monument tool, we select the source as Google Earth placemark file and click on Browse button to browse and select the Google Earth placemark file we created earlier. Once our placemark is ready, we can place it in our required location. Once that is done, we go to Coordinate System tool and select placemark and click the placemark we placed in the previous tab. Now our file is ready with the geographic coordinate system. The next step will be to incorporate the civil file into our master model. Since we have geographic coordinate already attached in our civil file, we can simply attach the file as a reference in our building master file. Remember, while referencing, we need to select the appropriate geographic transform as the reference method. As expected, the newly referenced file is placed how it should be in respect to the real earth coordinate. There can be an instance where the building file or the structural file may need to reference separately with the civil file. As you might have noticed, we have added our geographic coordinate to the building master file through our placemark, which means the constituent file of master file, that is the building file, and the structural file do not have a geographic coordinate attached. We can follow the previous steps to attach a new geographic coordinate to each of the files, or we can choose a shorter way. Here from the building master file, we can go to Coordinate System tool and select Push to Reference. Then we can select which reference to push our geographic coordinates to. In this example, let us choose both. Now both the files have geographic coordinate attached. Here you can see the building file and here you see the structure file. Now these can be attached using geographic coordinates just like we had done for the master file.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you and see you next time.